fellow designers, you welcome to another tutorial video where I'll be sharing with you how I changed the color of this model cloth from blue to red wine. So let's get started. The first thing I'll be doing here is head over to my Chrome browser, then click on search, then type canva.com. The website we'll be using is Canva to change the color of the model's clothes. So the first thing you do is click on this plus icon here after logging into Canva and all. Okay, so the first thing you need to do here is to click on the plus icon. Click on this plus icon, then click on upload. Create using your photos and videos. Click on upload. Then you upload the image you want to change the color of the cloth or anything to. So you select the image from your gallery. So click on the image, then wait for it to upload. So after uploading, it will ask you, do you want to use it in a design or do you want to edit the image? So you click on edit image. Click on edit image and wait for it to load. So after clicking on edit image, still wait for it to upload properly. After it has uploaded, you see your photo is still uploading. All features will become available once completed. So I think it has uploaded already. Then you click on adjust. After clicking on adjust, you see auto adjust, temperature, tint. You keep scrolling till you get to color edit. Color edit is beside sharpness by the right and beside saturation by the left. Then you see, if you look at here in this color edit, there's the image there. Then it will show you the colors that are in the image. There is blue there and there is brown, which is our skin color. Then you click on the blue. After clicking on the blue, you click on hue. Just ignore the saturation and brightness. Just click on hue only. Then you change it to the color of your choice. Can you see? The color is changing already. Look at how nice it is. The color is changing already. So after you've changed the color to the particular color that you want, you click on save. Then you ask, do you want to save to Canva? Do you want to use in a design or do you want to download? Then you click on download. Then you wait for it to download. Just wait for it to download to your gallery. Can you see it's downloading already? Downloading file. So just calm down and it will definitely download depending on your network. To either be fast or slow depending on your network. So let's check notification for details. Look at it. I uploaded it in PNG and I'm definitely still going to download it in PNG. That's what I like about this feature. If you upload the image in PNG, you still download the image in PNG. It does not change the dimension. It does not change anything about the image. It only changes the color or the edit that you make on the design. Okay, so the file has been downloaded already. Okay, so that's how to change the image of a model's clothes. Look at it, is so easy. It does not, I'm not sure it's even up to 5 minutes. It is not up to 5 minutes. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this. Bye.